Taking a peek at the key fob for the Outlander. So the overall design, nice and simple, very minimalistic. But you've got the lock button, unlock button. There's a trunk release, so you're just going to push and hold. You can see there, up it goes. You can push and hold there to close again, or just on the door, push there to make it happen. There's also the horn or panic alarm button. But one thing that the fob doesn't have support for is going to be remote start. So you'd have to use the Mitsubishi app in order to be able to remote start your vehicle. Only other thing to point out, I guess, is going to be the emergency access key. So there's the little release there, and then gives you access to the emergency access key there. So if the fob's ever died on you, all you're going to do, insert and twist in order to get inside. And then if the fob's died on you and you need to start the vehicle, you just want to make sure that you've got the fob very close to the push button start there as you go. So you need to hit there with the fob close in order for it to recognize it. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Outlander.